What evidence is the city using to prove that I am owned by the city, that you employees that are paid, that I am required to follow your company policies?
I am protected by the land. Do not tell me to shut up! I am the living natural man, and my voice will be heard.
Hey, go ahead.
Get your supervisor on the scene.
I don't need a supervisor. You can see him down at the gym.
So listen, if you guys want to come in here and act like you're going to educate us, I'm going to educate you real quick. Shut up.
I have 2 grams of cocaine in my butthole.
Okay, outstanding.
Please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me.
Step back.
And you're using...
I'm in a public place. I can film whatever I can see. Photography is not a crime. Photography is not a crime. Photography is not a crime.
Welcome to the John Ligato Show. I'm John Ligato.
Not own me. She's not my king. She's not my ruler. She's not my boss.
I told you I'm pulling you over for failing to wear your seatbelt. Yeah.
That's my determination. Self-determination.
The state law requires you to wear a seatbelt.
What we got here, I think, is a simple seatbelt violation.
I will break your window, yes. I can break your window and to place you under arrest for failing to identify yourself on a traffic stop. Yes. No, I wish to identify you for driving with no seatbelt on.
Open your door. Open your door.
I don't need a warrant. No, I don't. She came out of the passenger seat, the one on the phone over there.
Okay. Hey, what's going on? What's going on?
I don't know.
Okay, who is she?
It's a friend of mine.
Okay.
We've been with my mom to play a game. So she took me home.
So, are you refusing to identify yourself? Are you refusing to identify yourself? You are in the state of Washington, traveling along the highway.
Can you prove it? Because the statutory definition of in the state, it's in the laws, it means federal territory. And this car is not federal territory, my body is not federal territory, my body doesn't belong to the state.
I'm going to explain to you what's going to happen, okay? If you refuse to identify yourself during a traffic stop, I'm going to break your window and you will be arrested and taken to jail.
Now, what we have here is a failure to communicate. What we have here is a sovereign citizen. But who and what is a sovereign citizen?
You're noticed to appear again today for disqualified driving. Okay?
Okay, but I don't drive. I haven't been driving.
That's all right. Who drove the car here?
I didn't drive here. I travelled here.
How did the car get here?
I moved it.
You moved it by controlling the controls of the car?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you, that'll do.
Yeah, I didn't drive it though.
As I said to my dad on the last day of schoolies, I think I need a lawyer. Found one. This is Marilyn. Hey, Marilyn. What is a sovereign citizen?
They're a very diverse group, loosely affiliated, not a tight-knit group at all. They have one common thread, and that is they're opposed to government. They regard government as illegitimate and having no authority over them.
So they're like, you can't tell me what to do, you're not my real government. The stepdad defense.
Yes, exactly. Sovereign citizens believe that laws only apply to them if they consent to them.
So that's why they say stuff like,
I do not consent.
It's not true that a law doesn't apply to you if you don't consent to it.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Okay, who is she?
It's a friend of mine.
You know why she's not cooperating? No. What's her name?
I don't know her that well. I just met her.
How long ago did you meet her?
She's a work friend, so like 3 weeks, months maybe.
Okay. And you don't know her first name?
No.
It's kind of weird to have a friend and you don't even know her name.
I think it's Robin. I can't really think right now because I'm panicking.
You have a window punch?
I don't. See if Peter does.
identifying her. You're gonna hit me? You're gonna hit
Give a window punch?
You're gonna hit my window?
Yeah, I'm going to break your window.
Private property.
I am.
Why are you gonna do that?
Right now you're under arrest.
Are you trying to break the window?
What?
Well, we're going to.
Yeah.
What's my name?
I don't need to. That's the problem.
You don't
right now you're under arrest.
So,
do you understand?
Hey, Robin.
What?
Do you calm down? Okay.
If she will get away from my car, I will come down and speak to you. If she will back away and get away from me, tell her to get away from me. And she look at me.
That's up to her. That's up to her. If she wants to stand there, she's welcome to stand there.
Never, as in never ever, allow a frauditor or a sovereign citizen dictate who they will speak to. This is not a negotiation.
So my understanding is that you are anti-police, anti-government.
You have a misunderstanding.
Okay, what is the misunderstanding?
I don't understand what she's doing.
Okay,
I don't understand.
So I think she already explained it several times, but you were stopped.
I would like to know where the warrant is, and I would like to know what evidence the city of... Wait, let me finish. I would like to know what evidence the city of Centralia is using to make some kind of determination that I am owned by the city to bully and boss around. What evidence is the city using to prove that I am owned by the city, that you employees that are paid, that I am required to follow your company policy?
Sovereigns believe essentially that the United States government is not a legitimate government, but is a corporation. So they will not have a driver's license, a vehicle registration, an insurance card. They will ask you, what is the reason for stopping me?
I'm gonna ask you again, what am I being pulled over for? What am I being stopped for? Am I being detained?
I am traveling, I am not driving, I do not have to provide a driver's license.
Where is your evidence that I am bound to your statutes? Where is that evidence? Do you have it with you?
It reminds me of deems.
Do you have that evidence with you?
Are you driving in a vehicle?
Do you have
That's our evidence right there.
With you that I'm driving? Where is the evidence that I'm a driver?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest right now.
What's my charge? What's the charge?
For failing to identify yourself on a traffic stop. I just told you.
What evidence do you have that I am bound to identify to you? I have the right to remain silent.
It's written in state statutes that you need to identify yourself.
I have the right to privacy.
This is entirely too much talking. Too much talking.
Go ahead and we're gonna drag her out the passenger side, bust the passenger side window so we don't hurt her with glass.
And who is the complainant? Who is the private man or woman complaining against me?
So
who is the private man or woman?
Go ahead and bust that window.
Who is the plaintiff? Okay, if I go to court, who is the plaintiff?
Robin, I'm gonna break the window. I'm going to break the window.
I have a question.
Okay.
If I go to court, who is the plaintiff? If I go to court, please answer.
I'm going to break the window.
Please don't break my window.
Okay, then open the door, okay? I'm about to break it.
Those are your two options.
Don't touch me. What?
You are under arrest.
Don't hurt me. Don't. Let me put my phone on my. You guys. Don't hurt me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
You got it, Dieter?
You're hurting me. God, they're hurting me.
The mysterious passenger in the car, who claims she barely knows the Sav sit, is nervous, very nervous, and attempts some explanation of some sort of what's going on here.
The bottom line is the plates don't match the car either, from my understanding.
Yeah.
Do you know why that is?
No.
Because they're exempt plates is what it says.
No, I know, I get it. I know that she did it. I don't know why she did it. I didn't care to ask. Because it's not my business, and because some have been happy with my dad. He's very anti-government, and I'm already stressed about other stuff that I don't ask questions.
Your dad is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, so he's anti-government.
Possibly.
Okay, so you think that's the whole reason of this?
Possibly.
So what's her first name again?
Sky, S-K-Y.
No, her.
Oh, Robin.
Robin.
I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Okay.
You're causing me harm. This is not equitable. You guys are nuts.
So, Robin, if you not calm down, you're going to be going into a wrap, okay? The wrap is a burrito.
Just shut up.
Okay? So you need to cooperate with us.
I don't need to do shit.
Are you going to tell me who you are, Robin? Last name, date of birth? Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet for me. Alright, she's good to go. Where are you? Move over here so we're not going further. Alright, Robin.
Please keep my phone off the top of the car.
You're going to be booked into the county jail under Jane Doe. Alright?
Yeah. Who's the charge? Who's charging me?
I am.
Really? What's your name?
Sergeant Finch.
You have to do it as a private man or woman. Private woman. Are you going to be on the other side of the aisle?
No, I'm actually learning some new soft sit doctrine, like the cop must assume her private identity to charge Robin and sit on the other side of the aisle. That's because soft sits don't recognize law enforcement, which makes many of them dangerous anarchists.
Yeah. Who's the charge? Who's charging me?
I am.
Really? What's your name?
Sergeant Finch.
You have to do it as a private man or woman. Private woman. Are you going to be on the other side of the aisle?
With the judge.
No, you're going to be on the other side of the aisle.
Would you like me to read your rights?
You already trespassed upon them, and I have the right to remain silent. So quit asking me your questions and
Fair
go
enough.
away.
Two options. We can write a search warrant to try and find indicia in the car to determine who she is. Do we know anything besides Robin?
No. We can get her dad's name.
Her dad?
No. The gals that she was with.
Is her dad D-ups?
Maybe.
Her last name's...
Would that sound right?
Guy. Yeah, he's a constitutionalist as well.
You don't have a search warrant. You don't have a warrant. You listen. You are men.
Stop talking.
You are men.
You're going to jail.
You are going to...
Your vehicle is being seized for a search warrant to identify you. Do you understand? If you
can't identify me with that. I won't. But I wanted to know why you were searching my car without a...
Unfortunately, the soft sit movement is growing, which is strange because they've never won one case in a court of law.
They all get thrown out.
But sovereign citizen websites have a whole page of testimonials where people from all states have successfully fought using their information and won. See, it's on their website.
All of those testimonials are either false or the reported decisions simply don't exist, and I've looked for them.
Are you trying to say to me that the sovereign citizen websites are bullshit?
That's exactly the right legal term.
John Ligato Show is being brought to you from right outside the gates of Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune in beautiful North Carolina. Hit all those buttons. I'd appreciate it. Semper Fidelis.